Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Harbor Freight website and checking out some of the new tools that they've released. So if you guys follow the channel, you guys know that I like to do these videos once a month. Just give time for Harbor Freight to release more than, 4 or 5 items. But I'm not going to lie, I've been slacking. It's probably been 2 or 3 months since I've done this video, so we got a little bit of catching up to do, but they have released a lot of really cool stuff. Some of this, the further we go down the list, you guys might have seen some of the stuff higher on the list, or the first things that we look at are going to be the newest items, and you might not have seen in person yet, but quite a few really cool items. Let's go ahead and get into it. If you guys have any experiences with some of these new items, please let us know down in the comments. But we're going to start at the top of the list with the newest stuff, and we're going to continue on until we get to where we left off in the last video. In the first row here, we can see another new Predator generator. This is the 4200 watt dual fuel super quiet inverter generator. Can be amazing, especially if you are running something in public or around other people. These super quiet generators, air compressors, things. It's very impressive how quiet they are nowadays. And this is coming in at $800. Next up is the Badlands 6-ton off-road jack stands at $170. So some nice new jack stands. The Badland lineup, which is really cool to see. I do like how they have the flat bottoms. Then we have the Hercules 20 volt and 12 volt. This is a 12 amp dual charger at $120. Then we also have the Chief Air Hammer quick change chisel retainer, which is really nice to see. I actually just picked up Capri's, I think early last year, which is phenomenal, but it is nice to see one from Chief. They have a couple other air hammer attachments as well that they've released. But then the big one being Icon, they've released a lot of new ratchets this year so far. So the newest ones are going to be the 3/8 lineup. You got the 14-inch in both comfort grip and non-comfort grip, and I will say the G2s, I am a big fan of them over the first gens, but still some really good deals on those as well. And these are both, whether you get the comfort grip or non-comfort grip, the pricing is the same, which is nice to see. Because some companies will charge more, some significantly more, for a comfort grip, but both of these are at $65 for the 14-inch, and then they also have the 10-inch with the comfort grip or non-comfort grip. All 4 of these are 3/8 drive, all of them free floating flex heads. So it is nice to see the Icon ratchet lineup expanding. Then we have another item from Chief for the air hammer, that being their extra long 17.5-inch chisel set. Really nice, $70, which isn't priced too bad, honestly, especially for extra long. Then we have the Doyle GFCI receptacle tester at $15, which is really nice. The features it includes with the display at $15, I mean, that seems like a pretty good deal to me. Just a couple items from Chief. Another air hose reel from Merlin at $90. Another Hercules oscillating multi-tool set at $40. Then we have the Quinn Master Technician's tool set, 428 pieces. This set has been around a little while now. A really well put together set. Very, very inclusive. Going to be great for weekend warriors, DIYers that are looking for a really good variety, but also possibly those getting into the professional field that may be on a budget. Now, yes, you're going to have to expand off of this as you get further into the occupation, but honestly, there's a lot included in this set. This set is just far superior to like a lot of the Gear Wrench and Craftsman and all of these like 3-drawer sets, 230 pieces, whatever. A lot of those sets have a really poor selection of wrenches, a really poor selection of sockets, honestly, and just include a lot of bits. This one is actually, there was some thought put into this set, and the reason it's on the list is because they've replaced the ratchets. The one, I guess, con of this set was Quinn has really been stepping up their game the last couple years, but a lot of their pre-built sets like this and the smaller ones still included the generic style ratchet. Even though you could get the new style Quinn ratchets, their sets still had the old generic ones. And now they're going through and they've replaced them with the new slimmer 90-tooth design ratchets. So really nice to see that upgrade done to that set. And $430 for that almost 430 piece set is a great deal, and that's not even on sale. Then we have the RoadShock 8-gang switch panel at $140, which honestly is just a little bit better than most of those that you're going to find on Amazon. A lot of the ones on Amazon are going to range from $150 to $250, so this comes in under some of the cheapest ones on Amazon. So I think that's a really good deal on that 8-gang as well. Then we have the US General 30-inch one-drawer service cart at $140, same price. It's basically just a new color that's been added, that beautiful purple, my favorite. Then just new colors for all of the attachments or accessories that you can get for your tool carts and toolboxes. Then we have the Doyle. Doyle's really been stepping it up the last few months as well. Non-contact voltage tester, another Hercules oscillating multi-tool set at $18. Then we have the Bauer 20-volt cordless half-inch drive high torque impact wrench with the 5 amp hour battery and charger. I love that we are starting to see more and more sets from Harbor Freight instead of having to piece together things. I think it's great, and I hope they continue to do it with all of their stuff. New microfiber from Grants. This is the extra large drying towel at $11, which doesn't seem like a bad deal. Some of the other Icon ratchets that have been released in the last few months, we have the 3/8. These are the non-flex head version. They're the 10-inch, just like what we looked at earlier, just not with the flex head. So these ones come in at $50, so $5 cheaper than the flex head version. Then we have their 3/8 drive 4 3/4-inch stubby flex head ratchet at $45. That one seems a little high. 4 1/5-inch stubby ratchet 3/8 drive at $38. I get where these can be handy, but I don't know. I feel like it's a bit much for what you're getting. I don't understand why you're paying $45 for this ratchet, $50 for this ratchet, and this ratchet has 4 times as much material. But, for those that need those stubbies. Then you have the Icon half-inch drive ratchets, free-floating flex head. These are 18-inch, coming in at $80. Then you got the half-inch drive 12-inch, which is kind of your standard length with comfort grip or without at $55. Not going to lie, when it comes to half-inch drive, I'm usually using something extra long or an impact. It's very rare that I reach for a standard length half-inch drive ratchet. Then we have a couple of 1/4-inch drive ratchets. You have the 9-inch long reach free-floating flex head at $50, and then you have the 1/4-inch drive 6.5-inch flex head, free-floating flex head ratchet at $48. So a couple dollars more, and you'll get 2.5 more inches, and that can be a huge difference. Then you got the 1/4-inch drive coming in at 3 1/4 inches long. Almost the handle's almost non-existent on this one at $35. So, a lot of new ratchets from the Icon lineup, which is great to see. Then we got the Hercules 20-volt cordless variable speed surface conditioning tool. Tool only at $150. Let me know your guys' thoughts on that if you guys have any experiences with it. Then we have the big one. This, I believe, my dad's a lineman, and I believe they use these on a pretty regular basis. But this is the 20-volt brushless cordless 7/16-inch high torque impact wrench with quick release chuck. This is the tool only at $230. This is not one that I expected to see at Harbor Freight, honestly. It's kind of a specialty tool, so it's pretty cool to see. I don't know how well they're going to sell, but I guess we'll see over time. Then we have the Pittsburgh 1/4-inch drive indexable head ratchet. I think this has been around a while, but I don't know if it was in 1/4-inch drive. I think it might have been 3/8, and the 1/4-inch drive is the new version, but that comes in at $20. If you guys know if it's more than just the 1/4-inch drive, or if there's another reason this is on the list, let me know. Then you got the Merlin pistol grip tire inflator at $13. The Icon heavy-duty mechanics roller seat with a drawer and a tray, 350-pound capacity at $70. Not terrible. The Braun 4200 lumen LED rechargeable heavy-duty clamp light. These can be really handy. $50 isn't bad. 4200 lumens, that's pretty impressive. The Hallmaster 14,000-pound capacity dual ball adjustable hitch at $150. That's a pretty nice little addition to the lineup there. Then you have the Hallmaster RV and trailer leveling blocks at $35. That's a pretty good deal on that. Then, like what I stated earlier, Doyle has really been releasing quite a bit of stuff in the last few months. Here is basically their new lineup of DVOMs. You got an amp clamp over here, $85, 1000 amp. Then you got the 1000 volt true RMS multimeter at $60, the 600 volt at $35, the 400 amp clamp at $65. So honestly, these prices are pretty dang good. And then you have so this one's just AC, where this one is AC and DC. So you got the AC only 400 amp at $45. Then you have another non-contact voltage tester with the infrared thermometer at $25. The Braun 2200 lumen rechargeable waterproof LED spotlight at $25. I actually did not see that one earlier. Hallmaster 3,333 pound capacity commercial duty ratcheting tie down. That's a very specific rating. Here's the 1,000 pound capacity ratchet straps, 2-pack at $20. Hercules attachments, wire wheels, sandpaper, a bunch of stuff released for that. That's constantly happening. Wire wheels, sandpaper, all of that. That's very common to see. Manual roll bender at $280. The Bauer modular 2-drawer toolbox at $70. The new purple color on the magnetic hook. Bauer's 20-volt cordless 4-gallon backpack chemical sprayer. This is the tool only at $100. That's actually pretty cool to see. And then you got the Warrior 8-amp 6-inch cutoff saw, $50. I don't know how I feel about that, but it is what it is. Pittsburgh 16-quart oil container with drain pan, $20. I have actually 2 or 3, I think 3 of these. I don't think they're from Pittsburgh, but same exact thing basically. Then you have the Hercules 3-inch random orbital dual action polisher backing pad, and that is for their new tool, which is further down here, which we'll get to in just one second. Once again, more purple color, longer zip ties, more of the ratchets, 3/4-inch drive, 26-inch long ratchet at $120. The Icon 1/4-inch drive, 6.5-inch non-flex head, comfort grip and non-comfort grip, both at $40. The 1/4-inch drive 4 5/8 short ratchet at $33, and their stubby 1/4-inch drive at 2 5/8 inches long. The Braun 750 lumen portable work light, $15. That's not a bad deal right there. Yukon 36 by 18 5-drawer rolling cabinet at $330. I don't even think I knew this existed, honestly. So it is pretty cool to see that. Yukon's kind of their cheaper lineup. Instead of calling it a toolbox, it's a tool cabinet, because it's, if you're buying Yukon, you kind of want to buy that as longer term storage, if that makes sense. They're going to be, I don't know, not as durable for everyday use like the US General and Icon lineup. It's going to be cheaper. And if I were to buy Yukon, it'd be for the items that I go to once every few months, not something that I'm constantly opening and closing the drawers. So it is nice to see that, though, but they have it in red now. Then you have black and blue available as well. Then you have the Atlas 80-volt brushless cordless backpack blower kit at $500. So, I mean, for a charger, 2 batteries, and the blower at $500, I mean, I'm not big into this type of equipment, but it doesn't seem like a bad deal to me. I'm sure some of these backpack blowers can get very, very expensive. Then you got the Hercules 4.5-amp 3-inch 12-millimeter long throw random orbital dual action polisher at $120. This is a corded tool, but honestly, that's a really nice addition as well. I know a lot of people that will probably pick this up. It's going to be great for detailing. This is great for, A-pillars, mirrors, around corners, where a 5-inch isn't really going to perform its best on those panels. So seeing something smaller like this is really nice as well. And couple more items here, but I think this is really getting into where I had mentioned some of these items in the previous video. But as you can see, quite a bit of new items released in the last few months from Harbor Freight, with a ton of ratchets, a lot of new stuff from Doyle when it comes to their multimeters, and even a few items on this list that I didn't expect to see released at Harbor Freight. So really, really cool items. Let me know your guys' thoughts, or if you guys have already picked up some of these items. Once again, leave a comment if you have any experiences with any of these items, whether it's good or bad. It's always good to know a little bit about these items. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.